Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggless bagels from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, warm water, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, and some salt. It's crucial to ensure your yeast is fresh and active. This guarantees a perfect rise for your dough. Measuring everything precisely is key to achieving that ideal bagel texture and flavor. We'll walk through each step together, making it simple and enjoyable for everyone to create these wonderful treats at home. Next, let's prepare our dough. Begin by combining your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then gradually add the warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Now comes the fun part: kneading. Work the dough for about 10 to 12 minutes until it transforms into a smooth, elastic ball. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour, or until it has beautifully doubled in size. With your dough risen, it's time to shape our bagels. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Each piece should weigh around 100 grams for consistent results. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb or a dowel to create a hole in the center, forming that classic bagel shape. Before baking, we'll give them a quick boil. Simmer them in water for 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side, giving them their signature chewy crust. Finally, it's time to bake our beautiful bagels. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet and bake them for 18 to 20 minutes. You're looking for a gorgeous golden brown crust and a slightly chewy interior. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, slice them open and enjoy with your favorite spreads, knowing you've created these delightful eggless bagels right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.